Hello everyone and welcome to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. In this video I'm going to cover one of the free AWS courses which is only available through trydiscountcoupons.com. As you can see, I'm on trydiscountcoupons.com. If I scroll down, here is the coupon, free AWS course, the complete intro. Let's click on it. Alright, so this course is created by Mike Chambers of Level Up Cloud. This course is rated 4.5 after 5 and has over 75,000 students. Okay, this comes to you absolutely free and it is an exclusive offer which is only available with trydiscountcoupons.com. So make sure you go ahead and check it out. Let me show you. So once you are there, just click to redeem and it will take you to udemy.com where it is actually hosted. So this is the course. Right now it has 90,000 plus students and a rating of 4.5. As you can see here, it is a 5 hours 28 minutes on demand video. These are the things that this course covers and it is absolutely free, as you can see over here. So you can go ahead and click on enroll now and you'll get this course. Hope you find this video interesting. If there is anything you want to ask about this video, please go ahead and ask in comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.